Social Science, Grade 8, Block 13, The Indian Constitution, LP2, Checking Misuse of Power by Teacher Shikha. Students will be able to explain how the Indian Constitution helps in checking misuse of power by applying the rule of law. Keywords are misuse, power, arbitrary. Children, I have a question. Children, would it be fair if I say that the person who stands first in class is free to come to class anytime while others have to follow the school timetable? Will it be fair? So, children, basically, at times, what happens? People who have power can misuse or wrongly use their power to favor or discriminate against someone. At times, they use this power to do things which may not be right. So, children, today we are going to talk about how the Indian Constitution ensures that nobody misuses power. So the question arises, who is misusing the power? Who is misusing power against whom? Why is the person able to misuse power? Is it right to use one's power in this way? Why? How could this have been checked? Children, please read the case study given in your content book. So the general explanation goes, Ravi, the sports captain, is misusing his power against another student named Zafar. Being captain of the sports team, Ravi enjoys certain powers to make decisions and influence others. He is misusing the power of his powerful position by being a bully. If there was someone to check on how Ravi was treating others in the team, he would have been careful about the way he behaved. Children, please look at this chart. Misusing power. Who? Anyone in a powerful position. How our constitution checks this? By granting fundamental rights, by separating powers between three organs. So, children, another question arises, when can someone misuse power? What happens if someone misuses power? In India, how can we make sure that leaders, ministers do not misuse powers? Let's talk on these important points and try to understand all the points. A person can misuse power if she is in a position to make decisions or give orders to others and make sure they obey them. When someone misuses power, it leads to injustice against others. In India, the Constitution uses the principle of the rule of law, which states that the law is equal for everyone. Even if a powerful person acts in an arbitrary way, she can face punishment in a court of law. The Indian Constitution also grants a set of fundamental rights to every citizen to ensure equal rights for all. If any of these rights are violated, then one can seek justice in the court. Our Constitution separates the power of the executive, legislature and the judiciary so that one cannot exercise control over the other. So children, on these points, now I have another question. Why do you think some people still misuse power despite constitutional safeguard? Those who are in a position of power may feel that they can get away with wrongdoing because they are in a powerful position and may not be held accountable for any wrong actions. Children, try to solve your worksheet on your own and read the textbook. Underline and mark the difficult points wherever you find any difficulty. We will discuss this during our online session. As all the students should be able to explain why misuse of power continues to exist despite constitutional provisions. We will discuss this during our online session. Take care of yourself and your near and dear ones, children. Thank you. Bye bye.